The Masai giraffe is a giraffe subspecies native to East Africa, found in Kenya and Tanzania. The Masai giraffe is listed as vulnerable on the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List. Threats to their population include habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation initiatives are underway to protect Masai giraffes and their habitats. These efforts involve wildlife management, anti-poaching measures, habitat conservation, and community engagement to mitigate conflicts between humans and giraffes. Masai giraffes are often a draw for ecotourism in East Africa, providing economic incentives for local communities to protect and conserve these giraffes. Tourism also plays a role in raising awareness about the importance of wildlife conservation. The Masai giraffe has a distinctive coat with irregular and jagged spot patterns. The spots are usually dark brown, and they are separated by lighter spaces. The overall coloration of the Masai giraffe's coat is light tan or cream. Masai giraffes are the largest-bodied giraffe subspecies. They have a robust and sturdy build compared to other giraffe subspecies. Their bodies are adapted to their natural habitat, allowing them to navigate savannas, woodlands, and open plains. Adult Masai giraffes can reach heights of up to 5.5 meters for males and slightly shorter for females. Their long necks and legs contribute to their impressive height, allowing them to browse on high branches and foliage. Adult Masai giraffes can weigh between 1,600 to 2,700 kilograms. Males are generally heavier than females. The weight of an individual giraffe can vary based on factors such as age, sex, and overall health. These physical characteristics, including the distinctive spot pattern, size, and build, contribute to the Masai giraffe's uniqueness among giraffe subspecies. It's important to note that individual variations may exist within the population. Additionally, the appearance of giraffes can change slightly with age, as younger individuals may have more vivid and contrasting spots. The lifespan of Masai giraffes, like other giraffe subspecies, is influenced by various factors such as environmental conditions, predation, and human-related threats. In the wild, Masai giraffes generally have a lifespan of around 20 to 25 years. However, their actual lifespan can vary, and some individuals may live longer or shorter lives based on factors like genetics, health, and environmental circumstances. In captivity, where they are protected from many of the natural threats they would face in the wild, giraffes can sometimes live longer. Giraffes in well-managed zoos and wildlife reserves may reach ages beyond 25 years. Lions are one of the primary predators of giraffes. They are known to hunt giraffes, especially young calves or weakened individuals. Lions use their strength and coordinated hunting techniques to bring down giraffes. Hyenas, particularly spotted hyenas, may scavenge on giraffe carcasses or attempt to take down weakened or young individuals. They are opportunistic predators and scavengers. Leopards and cheetahs are agile predators that can target giraffe calves. They rely on stealth and speed to catch their prey. African wild dogs, also known as painted dogs, are pack hunters that may target giraffe calves. They use teamwork to bring down larger prey. Masai giraffes are social animals that live in loose groups called towers. These towers typically consist of females and their offspring. Adult males may be solitary or form small bachelor groups. The social structure helps provide protection, especially for young calves, and allows for cooperation in detecting predators. Giraffes communicate using various vocalizations, including low-frequency sounds that are often beyond the range of human hearing. They also use visual signals, such as body language, to communicate with other members of their tower. Necking, a behavior where giraffes use their necks to spar with one another, is another form of communication that establishes dominance or resolves conflicts. Adult giraffes are well equipped to defend themselves against predators. Their long legs and necks provide a wide field of view, and they can deliver powerful kicks with their hooves. Giraffes may also use their size and speed to evade predators. Giraffes are known to cover large distances in search of food and water. They may engage in seasonal migrations, moving between areas with abundant vegetation and water sources. The daily food intake of Masai giraffes can vary based on factors such as age, sex, individual health, and the availability of food in their habitat. On average, an adult Masai giraffe is estimated to consume around 34 to 50 kilograms of food per day. Giraffes are ruminants, which means they have a complex stomach with 4 compartments, allowing for the efficient digestion of fibrous plant material. Their diet primarily consists of leaves, flowers, and fruits from various trees and shrubs, with a preference for acacia trees. They are adapted to browse on thorny vegetation that many other herbivores cannot access. Giraffes are selective feeders, and Masai giraffes, in particular, choose their food carefully. They use their prehensile tongues, which can be up to 45 centimeters long, to grasp and strip leaves from branches, avoiding the thorns when possible. The long necks of giraffes are well suited for high browsing, allowing them to reach leaves and foliage at elevations that are out of reach for many other herbivores. This adaptation helps them exploit a niche in the ecosystem and reduce competition for resources. Giraffes can obtain some of their water requirements from the moisture in the vegetation they consume, and they are known to drink water when it's available. However, Masai giraffes are capable of surviving in arid environments with limited water sources. Giraffe diets may vary seasonally based on the availability of different plant species. During periods of drought or scarcity, they may adapt their feeding habits to the vegetation that remains accessible. Masai giraffes often feed in loose groups, known as towers, which can provide some protection against predators. While feeding, they are vigilant and use their height advantage to detect potential threats. Masai giraffes typically reach sexual maturity at around 4 to 5 years of age. At this stage, males may begin to engage in behaviors such as necking to establish dominance and access to breeding opportunities. Dominant males establish territories, and during the mating season, they actively seek out receptive females. Males may engage in necking contests to establish dominance and hierarchy, which can determine access to females. Courtship behaviors involve the male following a receptive female, nudging her, and engaging in various displays. Males may also use their long necks to nuzzle and caress the female. Once a receptive female is identified, the mating process occurs. Mating involves copulation, and the female may mate with the dominant male or, in some cases, with other males in the territory. The gestation period for Masai giraffes is approximately 15 months. This extended gestation period contributes to the relatively slow reproductive rate of giraffes. Female Masai giraffes give birth to a single calf, although twins can occur in rare instances. Calves are usually born while the mother is standing, and the newborns are capable of standing and walking shortly after birth. This rapid mobility is important for their survival in the wild. Female Masai giraffes are responsible for caring for and protecting their calves. The mother and calf form a close bond, and the mother is vigilant in defending her offspring from potential predators. Giraffe calves become more independent as they grow, but they stay close to their mothers for an extended period. The mother provides protection and guidance as the calf learns to feed on solid food and navigate its environment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.